Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm on a bike trip with some friends of mine, creating some content out here in the beautiful mountains of Bana Hill, close to Da Nang in Vietnam. And yeah, I haven't vlogged for quite some time, so I thought that might be the moment to create some new videos. I'm really hyped and want to do much more stuff like this, bringing you guys on my travels through all the countries I'm visiting, but also behind the scenes stuff of what I'm actually doing, from photo shoots to trips like that. So let's go and let's find the other guys. I just found Jim and Na. They're downstairs shooting some stuff with Jonas, but he's already leaving the location, so I think they're already finished. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing here. The B-roll guy for today. Yeah. And the crew. Okay, it seems the food already arrived.
Oh, wow.
Just found a waterfall right there. Just shot some pictures of Jonas, who is in the mountains. Now I'm going to Jim and Na. They're so clean and happy. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Okay, your turn.
Okay, 3,
How is it looking?
2, 1.
Okay, probably it's much too loud because of the waterfall, but Jim is taking some videos here of Na. I'm here still with the Fuji, doing some photos when he's ready. Jonas is also here. Okay, we're just doing the last shots because the sun is already gone, and we had to back home for about an hour. But yeah, it was a really nice day spending with other creators, doing some stuff, just be creative. And yeah, that's like the best thing about traveling, like meeting other people, get new inspiration on all this. And yeah, I hope you can hear me because the noise level of the waterfalls is quite loud, to be honest. I didn't use my DJI mic because I was a little bit scared to lose it in the water. But yeah, that's how it is. I hope you like this vlog and see you in the next one.